MFI stock next week Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is MF International Limited stock going for the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Now, first things first, we're 77% down. That is just borderline brutal, like we do only see like a few days worth of candles, so we don't have that much data that we could work with, but it's enough, it's enough. Just to give you context, though, I'm using my strategy system that previously has given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of that because that's the truth, and I've documented everything myself. So MFI, you're here. I'm just gonna mark out the previous lows, man. Previous lows. I'm gonna mark out this supply area here. So now, when the only when the price really comes inside this zone and gives me the rules, then I'm willing to take it lower. It's really not financial advice. And also, you can completely like obliterate the heights. Like pretty much puncture through them, like just rocket through them. But the thing is that when my rules are not met, then I'm not moving forward. Even if I'm 100% certain it's gonna go down first, like you're never 100% certain because everything could happen. So yeah, this is not financial advice. I'm not selling you courses, so for free resources and value, check the first link in the description.